So back here on Bryan 61 Buick, if you remember last time when I showed you video of the original carb and how it was eroded away, basically, it was done. So we went ahead and just ordered an Edelbrock for it. Just quick, easy, painless. So that's here now, and that's gonna go on. Right, so a few things we need to do. First thing, I'm gonna just open up the hole here on the throttle linkage. So our throttle factory one will fit. I just gotta drill it a little bit, no big deal. And then down here for our kick down, it fits, but the way this is designed, our clippy won't fit. So I'm either going to drill and pin on this side, or I might just take the Dremel and chamfer this so our clip will fit. We shall see. All right, so we've got everything hooked up. Obviously we don't need our hot air for the choke anymore, but that's plugged off anyway, so not a big deal. Just let that chill out. Using our original choke for electric choke positive. Made it nice, made our ground nice. Got our caps where we need them. Did drill out so we can use our factory linkage, and I did drill that and pin it down there. Ooh, there it is. We also needed to remove the factory dash pot as it was in the way, but we're not gonna need it. So we're gonna get this thing primed and see how she runs. All right, so I've already cranked her over with the coil unplugged just to kind of prime it. Let's see how she does out of the box untouched. They're usually decently behaved. All right, we should have fuel. Beautiful, right out of the box. So we'll get her up to temperature here, and then we'll do a little bit of adjusting. Cold start right out of the box. Definitely not shooting as much crap out as it used to, but we'll let her get up to temp and see how she does. Happy so far. Soap is already off. Running pretty nice. Let's let her get up to temp, and then we'll do some idle adjustment. I'll put the air cleaner on and go for the drive. Alright, I took our idle mixture screws, ran them all the way in, ran them back out, a turn and a half, and everything seems pretty happy. I'm going to do a little fine tune. Easy to turn out. But in. I've never heard this car run this good. All right, going for our first drive after putting on the carb and doing some light adjustments. Let's see how she is. Peppy. Real peppy. so incredibly good. Very, very peppy, very happy, very snappy. We're light years ahead of where we were previously. Beautiful. Might kick the idle up a hair, because we did get a little generator light, but it is what it is. I mean, otherwise we're pretty good. She stops good. Really reliable. Yeah, she's pretty good. Let's sit here for a minute, let her idle in gear. What a great running car. I think when Bryan gets back, he needs to take this baby for a spin. Heavy. Love it.